How do you say it? How do you say it? How do you say it?
Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya. Okay.
Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya. Guys, we are out here at Ayutthaya. Guys, we are out here at Ayutthaya. It is about an hour from Bangkok city center. Right? An hour, more or less, yeah. And we're gonna check out a ton of temples today, so super excited for that. And we're doing this tour actually through Klook for like the millionth time, doing a tour through Klook. But our guide's been so great so far, so I'm excited. Sammy is gonna show us around and we're gonna get the most out of this experience. Let's go.
No problem. Take tuk-tuk, no problem.
So now we're gonna check out Wat Mahathat. This is where the stone Buddha's face is inside of the big tree. Thank you.
Welcome.
The stupas are slanted and indented because of weathering from the earth. But the main one is supposed to be there, I'm assuming. But when the Burmese invaded and the war happened, everything was destroyed. So these smaller stupas are actually royal families and head monks' burial sites. So not everyday ordinary people could be buried here. It has to be someone from royal families or the head monk. I can only imagine when it was new and glorious. So we are here at the site. We are at Wat Ratchaburana. It is the burial site of two sons that were fighting for the crown. They died fighting on the backs of elephants. If you're gonna die, you're gonna go out like that. So the third son actually took over the crown by default, and now we are standing here in their burial site. Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. So let's go check it out. It looks grand. So let's go.
What do you guys think of the place?
I loved it. I love
Okay,
this one.
okay.
Oh, I love this one.
This one's favorite so far. got 3 temples in before lunch, so now we're gonna jump on a boat and just take like a little river boat cruise around this island, the main island of Ayutthaya. I'm so sorry if I'm murdering this name. I don't know why I cannot remember how to say it. Huh?
Isn't it Ayutthaya? No, I don't know.
I'm not sure. But we're gonna we have our fabulous driver here, and she's gonna take us on, I think it's about an hour to get around the island. So we need a little relaxation. This is Sammy. He's our guide. He's super great.
Yeah. ขอบคุณครับ
Sammy's great.
สวัสดีครับ
Thank you.
Thanks, Sammy. Yeah, totally just finished that boat ride, and it was actually worth it. At first, I was like, oh, boat ride, is it gonna be worth it? But it was super cool. We got to see a lot, and Sammy's great. Just shares all the information, pointed out all the temples, pointed out the different styles of houses, and everything about it was really cool. Worth it. Your parents loved it, so totally parent friendly, us friendly, because you know we just love everything. And now we're gonna go have lunch because I'm pretty sure everyone's starving because I'm starving. Okay, let's go eat some food. All right, so we have arrived at the last temple that we're gonna see today. It is Wat Ratchaburana. I hope I'm saying that right. Probably not, because I think I've been murdering all the names so far today. But this is, let me read it for you, the loveliest, but the most important of all the temples, according to planetware.com. So basically the history is that one of the kings buried his father and his older brother here, and then later he was buried here. But anyways, like most of these places, it's just ruins from when the Burmese attacked many years ago. But it's supposed to be beautiful and very beautiful. What else do you say? Is this the one that they collected the gold?
Yeah, to the
Okay.
Burma, 171 kilo, 60 meter high.
Number 3.
Number 3.
The number 1 is his father?
Brother and
then brother.
brother is
Okay.
the king. Yeah, you know, after finish here.
So this is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So these pointy ones are called stupas or chetties, okay. A prang, of course, the Buddha image. Prang, walls, and pedestal. But the chetties are where the kings are buried. So I think this is the end of our temple tours. Totally recommend this tour. I think having the guide was a plus. Could you do it on your own? Yes. Would you learn as much? No. So it's all up to you whether you're a history buff or not. I'm personally not a history buff, but I enjoyed the fact that we learned a lot about the Thai people and the Burmese people and their previous conflicts. So totally recommend it. Up to you if you want to do the tour or not, tour guide or not. But do these temples. Okay, see you later. We're gonna go home and get in the pool, have some cocktails, and maybe we'll see you tonight for a drink. See ya.